Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the password and security option. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll, or even we do not have to really scroll down, but at the very bottom of the list we've got this more security settings, and here we've got encryption and credentials. Almost at the very bottom again we've got this clear credentials option, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which is the evidence that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.